Right, hello, welcome back to part 4. I've had a little bit of a fiddle with this and sort of bodged, sort of hot wired it and enough to get everything to work. So I'm going to try to start it. So this is the first attempt. I've just got to wire it up again because I did this sort of last night, wired it up. Just got to connect the wires back up again. Won't take many seconds, and then we'll be on our way. Double check to make sure. I'll show you what I've done. A bit later. I'll put the indicator on, we'll hit play when it all connects. This is wire for the ECU, and this one is for the actual ignition wire. It's a bit bodged. It will take a little bit of sudding around. I should have done this first, but I thought you won't believe me if I've started it, if it does start. Drained the petrol out the tank. Well, not the sorry. I've drained the petrol out the car. Still got original petrol in the tank, so it's at least 4 or 5 years old. It's typical. Took the old one wire out. Started in this. I won't start in with the wiring altogether. Yeah, so I fiddled with it last night and I thought these all rusty on crap. Yeah, so I fiddled with the wiring last night and couldn't get nothing out of it, and all of a sudden, from nowhere, jumped into life. Like I say, if it starts up, you won't believe me. So, right, so I'll show you what I've done here. It works. It won't work, you won't see it. Only because the connections are absolutely rubbish. Let it stop again. I don't want to mess about at all when it's working. You know, we'll try to get. What does it take to put the wire in half? Hear that bleeping? It used to do that. I don't know what the hell it is. Somebody will tell me, but it's it used to do that when it used to get wet on the green lanes. Something it didn't like. Just to clean these ends up a little bit better. That won't be too bad. I tried this last night and thought I'll just see if it turned over, and I couldn't figure it out, and I realised I've got to push the clutch lever in. I kept thinking, oh, I had to push something. I was pushing the brake and right. So I had to go clunk clunk clunk. That's all I had last night. Battery was flat. Hopefully, so this should be on. Ah. Yeah. Right. I had all the lights working. So if I push the clutch in, it's a bit stiff, as we know, because of the cable. Got a bad connection here somewhere. Hold on. Might be this earth. out that clutch lever, so you can see it. What? You alright? Let me just try this other wire, make sure I get the power through to the ECU side of it. Right, so I don't think it's in petrol through at the moment. Disconnect this cord on that for now. Right, I'm going to get some car cleaner and we'll try it on that. Can you hear the bike? You might be able to hear the bikes down the village. Considering it's winter and you know, it's not a bad day, but loads of bikes down there today. Right, put a bit of car, just a bit of car cleaner in the airbox, to be honest with you. I don't think so. I'll take the airbox off next and try a little bit of spraying the end of the, just spray a little bit up. I smell it running through, so I'll probably pick that up. Right, let's see if we've got a spark in actually. That'll be the next gear. Right, I'm going to see if we've got a spark next. Come on. Right. Just check the spark and we didn't have no spark. So I've got a spark now. I've just put the clap cap back on it. What I've done is I've swapped the wires around, so the wire, obviously what goes to the ECU is a bit more, you know, a bit thicker. So I haven't tried it. Let's just try it. This is honestly the first time I've turned it over since I've got the spark. I'm well chuffed with that. So just have a look, make sure. Can you hear the bikes down the village? I don't think you can hear them. I don't see what is the point of having a bloody great R1 or whatever it's down there and sitting on the river limp. What did he do? Because when the summer comes and all the bikes come here, everybody will be pissed off with it. You know, this, you've got to remember, this is like, we're on the 12th of the 1st today, so that's what gives bikers bad names, isn't it? That's pretty much these. Let's push the choke in. Choke's out again, obviously now. Got to be happy with that, haven't we? There's no choke on it then. Get the choke back out. I'd like to lower it back down to make it more level for the oil, but oh, come on. I've knocked the wire off. I've knocked the wire off, hold on. Where'd that go? Oh, I'm well happy with that. Well happy with that. Hopefully that's in there. Oh god. Right now, I'll ring up for it. I couldn't get you in a very good angle, like I say, and then I just managed to get a spark on it. And I thought, oh well, I don't care where the camera is, I'll just film it. And hopefully you can see it, and hopefully we're in focus. So I know the last video it went out of focus a bit, and I had some sound trouble. Turned out that was in my editing, so I did apologise for that. I did find it on my memory card, but obviously the time I had loads of problems with the computer, the PC that day. It took something like 8 hours just to load the films up onto it before I even started to try to edit it. I mean, really, I only stick them together anyway, don't I? So I don't want to bore you to tears too much with this while I'm sobbing about, but I do daft things. So I took the old ignition barrel apart, trying to clean it up, thinking it'd make life easy if I can fix it, and it shattered. Plastic was brittle, it shattered. And don't ask me how I done it, but I did. I was just fiddling about and I stuck the screwdriver straight from my thumb. And it sort of stuck in, oh good, 1/4 of an inch, sticking out my thumb, but I don't know how, because it must have twisted, because I would have thought it gone from my finger. But and it didn't hurt until the dog jumped up me. Well, what else have we got missing here? Ah, well, I've done that wire. What's this wire? Ah, it's this one. Nothing. Oh, seems to work itself back out again, and then I think what it is now is this red wire I put in here. I'll show you in a minute. I think actually it's just these dodgy wires I've got. But we're already running, so if it don't run again, we know it's still running. I think it's these wires. Oh, I know it's these bloody wires. But we've had it running, what is something I didn't expect to have done. And I was looking at it like last night, and I started doing things. I thought, I don't know. You hear the bike? I hope you can hear the bikes going up and down. I just think it's the wire. So I fiddle with the wire, you can hear it, can't you? Not quite sure why, but it's I mean, it's not very good, you'll see. I will show you, hopefully in a minute, if the camera will focus when it comes in. Oh. Basically running one for the start, one loom for the start and one loom for the one wire for the ECU and the coil and all that. Smart face. Stop that shot. Oh yeah, it's got my air filter, put the air filter off as well, because I've just got that, I've got that carb thing in. Yeah, I put a try to drop, so there's no air filter, that's why it's a bit warping. Right, let's put the wires back out. And I'll bring it up here, we'll lower it down and I'll show you the bodging I've done with the wiring into the switch kits here. That's a job of seeing here because of the lighting, but that's basically the block of, I don't know if we can see it, there's two wires going in. What I've done is I swapped the yellow wire with the red wire, it's a bit thicker the red wire, and that was obviously what powers the ECU and the coil and stuff. I think that's not too blurred actually, I don't know, but we'll just give it a quick. That's with no choke and no air filter, so you hear it sucking in the air. Obviously I'm not going to rev it too hard because it's been sitting there with no oil around it. There you are. The smell is getting a bit of heat in it now. All dust is burning off of it. Don't think that's too bad, do you? I'll get round past it. So I hope you don't too blurred. I think it's alright. Anyway, that's it for this part. It's running. Gives us a bit more sort of hope now to do it. I've got another ignition coming. I think that's why I've done it the way I've done it, because I've got another one coming what I just plug straight in. It was just under £6 with 2 keys, and I thought, well, I can't get keys cut for that price, but I can get the whole lot. So that's obviously coming from China, so that'll be in the next couple of weeks. But we can carry on and move on now we know it runs, and it's over there lovely, isn't it? Yeah, that'll do me. Yeah. So a little, oh no, didn't like that. Right, thanks for watching. Like sort of stuff, thumbs up, subscribe, all the usual sort of stuff. And I shall see you next time. Bye for now.